everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. And yes, I'm back with a haul. Lot of people have requested me to make a haul, so here I am with a huge, not so huge but huge haul. Now without any blabbering or anything, let's directly dive into the video. The first order, I have got actually orders from all different websites. It's not pertaining to any particular website. I have got products from all different websites, right? The first product, let's talk about Nykaa first. I got my favorite deodorant. If you all are following me from a long time, then definitely you all must be aware that I swear by this particular deodorant brand, that is Nivea. In this Nivea, I have got deodorant whitening sensitive, and I got two. One I'm actually already using, I'm not sure. One I'm already using and one is for backup. So total 2 Nivea deodorant. Okay. Most of the products whatever I'm showing you must have it already reviewed on my channel, or it will be like the reviews will be coming. If it is reviewed, I'll definitely try to link as many as possible up in the I button. Or if you cannot find it up in the I button, definitely you can go towards the description box. You can find over there, and if you can find over there also, then you can directly go to the playlist and you can find all the, if the product is new launch, then you can find under the new launch section, or if it is some reviews or maybe some comparison, you can find under that particular playlist, right? The next product what I got from Nykaa is Maybelline Fit Me Dewy plus a smooth primer. This is the primer, right? It is dewy plus smooth, normal to dry skin. The review is already up. As I told you, I won't repeat. If it is up, I'll directly link. I think there are some limits to link the video up, so as many as possible it will be up, or else description. So this is the next product. The last product in this particular box is this Inside Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation. This also I got it from Nykaa. Right, this is the foundation. The shade in this which I got is 01 Golden Honey. If you are similar to my skin tone, then definitely 01 Golden Honey you can go for. So these are basically 4 products from Nykaa. I'll just keep it, and if at all I'm bending, then don't worry, don't mind, because I have all the boxes lying over here. I cannot keep everything on the desk, so that is why. So this is the first box. The second box what I want to talk you about with you is from Purplle. I got this, actually I don't know, somehow I couldn't find the review of this particular product. It is Stay Quirky, I am done with you nail polish remover pads. Yes, I do agree this is little bit on expensive side. When I ordered it, I got it around for 80 rupees. In this 80 rupees you get 10 pads, so maybe around you can say 8 rupee for one pad. Definitely it is costly, so I basically want to see what is the hype all about of this particular product. That is why I got this. The review of this is not yet done, it is not yet filmed. I will make a separate video, and please do watch that video, so that if you all are planning to buy this, you will get the idea whether to go for this or whether not to go for this. So this is the first product from Purplle. Everywhere I have my bill, so nobody is sponsoring me, like nobody is actually sponsoring any of my videos, so don't worry, I get everything by my own money, and I even don't ask anyone to sponsor. The next oil which I got is this oil. It is from Good Vibes. It is their tea tree and papaya oil. This is basically I got it for my mom. I want her to try this, that is why I got this for her. So this is actually the next product from Purplle, so I'm keeping this box aside. The next product I got it from Just Hop's website. This is basically directly from Just Hop's website. This is the bill. I have already made one separate video, but still I can just show you the bill so that you all will understand. This is the bill, right? So not sponsored from Just Hop's, because right now there are a lot of other videos on the YouTube you can find, but this is not sponsored. I got this 2 lip and cheek tint from Just Hop's, right? The review video of this is already up on my channel. Okay, one I'll tell you the shade name. One is Peachy Coral 02 and the other one is 03 Pale Pink. I got these 2 shades, and the review is, as I told you, already up, so you can definitely go ahead and you can see what are my thoughts and all. And if you want to buy any of the products from Just Hop's or maybe from Smitten, I'll give you my referral code in the description box, as well as it will be pinned in the comment section, So if you will use my referral code, you will get some discounts on your order. So don't forget to use that. Why not to save some money, right? This is the 2 sample what I got free. That was I got some selection of 5 to 6 products. From that I had to select 2 products, so I selected these 2. One is Just Herbs Brindraj hair oil. This is for 25 ml. This is the free product what I got from their own website. This is free. And the next product what I selected is Just Herbs Petal Soft Anti-Tan Rose Face Mask. This is for 20 grams. This is a small tub, right? So this is the basically 2 free products what I got with my order. So this is the next box from Just Herbs, right? Now we will talk about Smitten first. I'm bending because the boxes are here. The Smitten, already this particular video is up, but if you all have not watched that video, I can just tell you, this is like the trial order box. This is the trial order box, and I got basically 3 products in this. One is this Aura Intimate Wash Wipes. First is this. The second product what I selected is this Sapta Gel from Just Herbs, because I want to make a separate review video for this. It is their Sapta Gel Micellar Water, Ayurvedic Micellar Water, you can say. This is the, I have not yet trimmed this video. I'll be coming up with a separate video for this, so stay tuned to my channel if you want to go ahead and buy the full size. Before buying full size, go you can watch my video and then you can decide. The next product what I got is Dot and Key Skincare Glow C Sleep Mask. This is what the box is. I will not show you how it looks and all. For this you have to go and watch the Smitten haul, right? And I got this pouch also as a free gift in my Smitten trial haul. So these are the basically trial from Smitten. After ordering this all, there were 9, as I told you in that video, 199 points were there in my cart, so I had to utilize it. So what I did is I ordered 2 products from Just Herbs, because at that time Smitten was running very good offer on their website for Just Herbs products. So I got these 2 products from their website. I don't mind getting the products from all different sites. Why? I am spending my own money. So basically I always see whichever product and wherever product I get, like wherever I get the best offer and best deal, I go and buy the products from there. It is not that I'll go and buy from Just Herbs own website only, or I'll buy from Smitten only. I'll buy wherever it is more affordable, not cheap, affordable to me, right? So that is why I got these 2 products from Smitten, but basically both these products are of Just Herbs. So this is the one product, Just Herbs Skin Tint. The review video is already ready. It's not up on my channel, it is already ready. It will be maybe up after this video. I think after this video only I will make this video live, so you can definitely watch this video. How I feel, what I feel, is it worth the money or no, whatever. If you want to know each and every detailed information, wait for this video. It is going to be live pretty soon. And then I have already reviewed this particular lipsticks. It is basically these are the micro mini lipsticks, but definitely this all you can get it on full size also. And I have swatched this 16 lipsticks. You all can see there are 16 lipsticks inside this. I'm not sure whether the camera is capturing. I don't think. Yes, now it will, right? Basically these are 16 lipstick, micro mini lipsticks. The all you can get is, like, if you are liking any particular shade, you can go on their website and you can get it on full size also if you want. And I have swatched this lipstick with and without makeup, so definitely if you have not watched that video, it is pretty good video. Definitely you can go ahead and you can watch. This is from Smitten shop section haul. So 1 2 3 4 5 packs gone. 6 is this. It is from MyGlam. I got this particular product from MyGlam's own website. It's only one product and I got one product free. This is their Pose HD foundation. Okay, the referral code of MyGlam also I'll show you, I think. Right, the review video of this is also up on my channel, and I'll give you the referral code for MyGlam also. I forgot. I have total 3 referral codes. Wherever you want to go, you can buy. I'll give you the referral code for MyGlam also in the description box as well as in the comment section. So if you want, you can go ahead and you can save some money. The review of this is also up on my channel. What I feel, how I feel, whether it is worth the money or no, you can go ahead and watch the video. With this particular order, or maybe with this particular foundation stick, you can say I got this lip balm free. This is MyGlam Lit pH lip balm. This was absolutely free, right? And the shade in this which I got, I forgot the shade name. Yeah, Netflix and Chill. I got this free, and the cost of this lip balm is 345 rupees. So I got this lip balm absolutely free. So this is the product. These are the two products basically from MyGlam. You all can see the box also of MyGlam. Right here is my address, so I won't show. Yeah, MyGlam. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes gone. Now we'll talk about one product. No, I've already shared the product. Now we'll talk about the last products from Purplle. I got this Good Vibes Orange Gel. I have never tried basically any of the gel from Purplle. You won't believe, but yes, I have never tried because I use aloe vera gel from the Face Shop, and I have actually pretty large tub of that, so I'm using that only. I have not yet finished with that because I'm not much into DIYs. I'm not much, and you all know my schedule, you all know my routine. That is why I don't get much time to go for DIYs and all. So that is why I have not tried many products from Good Vibes. So this is just for the trial purpose because I have heard lot of good things about this particular orange gel. This is not sponsored video. Again, you all will feel Meghna is sponsoring or something. This is the bill. This is the bill. So this is not sponsored. So that is why I got this particular product just to try. This particular is for 100 gram and the MRP is 215. But definitely on Purplle, you can get this all products on very good discounts and offer. Also the Purpple's referral link, I'm so sorry. Also the Purpple's referral link as well as the buying link and everything will be given in the description box. So if you want, you can go ahead, and I'll give you my referral code of Purplle also. So if you are like ordering through my link, you will get some discount. So this is the next product, and the last products which I want to share with you is basically the Hyperstay liquid lipstick. One second. These are total altogether all 10 shades, right? I won't lie, total in this there are total 12 shades launched, but I have reviewed 10 shades because on Purpple's website when I ordered there were only 10 shades available. Shade number 2 and shade number 10 is out of stock. I checked everywhere when I was making the video. Before that I checked everywhere, and basically I ordered through Blue Heaven's website also, but due to some glitches and all, they never delivered my order. I don't want to go into that in detail, but they never delivered my order, and like there were a lot of confusions, lot of problem with that Blue Heaven order. So I couldn't review that two particular shade, but otherwise I had ordered and I was expecting the delivery, but my misfortune or my, you can say, hard luck, I never got the product only. So what I did, I decided to go ahead with this 10 particular lip shades, and I made the video. The swatches, the review video of this is also up on my channel. This is actually a must watch video. If you all have not watched, definitely go ahead and watch. It is pretty simple, small video with all the lip shades with and without makeup swatches. So definitely it is a must watch. If you all have not watched, I'll request you go ahead and watch this video as well. So this is basically the last products from Purplle, all 10 lip shades from Blue Heaven. I forgot if I have not shown you. This is the basically lipstick. Okay, it is the Hyperstay. Blue Heaven Hyperstay weightless liquid matte lipstick. So this is actually the Blue Heaven lipstick, and I do have one request of someone. I'm not sure of that particular person's name, but she has actually requested me to make a comparison between this Hyperstay as well as the Elegance Matte. I do have that request in my mind. Definitely I'm going to come up with that video also, so stay tuned to my channel, because in that Elegance Matte I have one shade, but definitely that shade, and in fact I think shade number 8, in that I have shade 8, and in this also I have shade 8. So we can just compare whether the shades are matching or no. From that we can just take a guess. We cannot 100% come to a conclusion, but we can take a guess. So definitely I'm going to make a comparison, small video for that also, so stay tuned. So yeah, that is all for today's haul. I think I have covered more than 6 to 7 different not websites, but 7 different types of dabbas, you can say. So yeah, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. If you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, definitely that also you can mention in the comment section, or else if you want, you can DM me on Instagram. The Instagram handle will be given on the screen, as well as it will be given in the description box. You can follow me on Instagram for some latest updates. Yeah, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.